Hello funXies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna make this peacock without any clay, so let's get started. So right now I've taken this cardboard and I'll make a cutout and then cut it out. So now as you can see, this is the cutout I get. So this is the cutout which will be for the peacock's tail, and now what I'll do is that I'll take a white tissue paper and I'll just fold it out like this. Then I'll put some glue over here on this cutout and I'll start wrapping around. So once I'm done covering with the peacock, I'll just put some more on the face as well. Once I'm done with one side, I'll repeat the same thing on the other side as well, and once that is done, I'll put this tiny piece of tissue over here. Then what I'll do is that I'll take this craft wire, fold around the tissue paper here as well. So once this is done, I'll put some hole over here and attach these. So once this is how it looks, I'll start painting it. So for that I'm using acrylic paints. You can use fabric paints instead. So once I'm done painting all different shades to the peacock, I'll make the feet as well using cardboard cutouts and then paint some white highlights onto the body. Then I'll make the eyes as well. And then I'll paint the feet. Now once it is done, the tail we have to make is that we'll take this green card paper and then we'll just fold it out. Put some just beautiful paints and cut out. Just cut these shapes out for the feathers and then paint it out as well. So once it's done, I just have to highlight it and make a lot of them just to cover the tail. So this is the very easy step you can make for your peacock. Then I'll just take this cardboard and this cardboard as well. I'll make the base for the peacock as if it's sitting on somewhere. I'll just use the tissue paper here as well. So once I'm done building the structure, I'll start painting this part as well. I'll make a look of this beautiful wooden effect. This will be the grass. And these will be some very pretty red flowers. So now I just dab some yellow paint here as well and then make the peacock sit on that. Then this is the headpiece of the peacock. So guys, tada! This is my beautiful peacock without any clay. It's very easy. With just some cardboard and tissue paper, you can make this by yourself at your home and you can beautifully decorate your place. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.